Hey beautiful people, so today we are going to be talking about Peau de lune cleanser. Now if you have been wanting to get that cleanser, or if you're using it and you are confused about the ingredients, what does this thing really contain, how do I know the original, which one should I buy, because it comes in 3 colors. So we are going to be talking about all of that. I'm going to be telling you their ingredients list. I'm also going to be telling you how to spot the original one. I'm also going to tell you how to use it, or which one you should be using, when to use which one you are using. It is very, very important. So if you have been using this product or you want to get this product, then this video is for you. I'm actually making this video because someone dropped a comment where I mentioned Peau de lune in a particular video. So she said that she stopped using Peau de lune because it doesn't have ingredients list. Now that's actually false unless you bought the fake one. Peau de lune products have their ingredients list at the back of the bottle. Although it is not written ingredients, it is written composition. So any product you buy and see composition, it means ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to be starting with the black, or I think it's brown. I was thinking it was black, but I think it's brown. It's generally called the brown one. So I'm going to be starting with this brown one. Now, first of all, the ingredients list are written in French. So it was sort of a hassle for me. I had to start translating everything to make sure that I make this video as detailed as possible. And that is something I'm also going to be pointing out to you. So please pay attention if you actually use this product or you want to buy it. Now, Peau de lune cleanser, the black one or the brown one, whichever the color is, it contains water. The very first ingredient is water. Then it has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has salicylic acid, and then it has an ingredient written um 1,4-dihydroxybenzene is written in French. Now that particular ingredient is hydroquinone. Yes, it is hydroquinone. And then it has AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which is exfoliant, something that is going to exfoliate your skin. And then it has vegetable extract. Vegetable extracts, they did not specify what vegetable extract it is. So I'm still going to go into explanation. Let me just talk about the ingredients. Now the green one has water also. It has salicylic acid, it has vitamin C and vitamin E, it has hydroquinone, it has vegetable extract. Now the difference between this green one and the black one in the ingredients is that the black one has AHA and the green one does not have AHA. Now over to the pink one, which is the last one. This one has the very first ingredient is floral water. So this other two now has just aqua, which is water. They made it with plain water. But this pink one, they did not use plain water. They used floral water. There is a difference, okay? And I'm going to explain that. It has carrot extract, it has vitamin E and vitamin C, it has vegetable extract, and then it also has hydroquinone. So these are the ingredients. Now, this first one, you should only use in the evening. It is written there, evening. Use it only in the evening. Why? Because it has hydroquinone 1, it has AHA 2, it has salicylic acid 3. Yeah, that's like the 3 active ingredients it has: salicylic acid, hydroquinone, and AHA. Now this particular one, what does it do for you? It helps to tighten your pores while purifying your skin. Now if you are someone that has open pores, you have oily skin, okay, your face is not smooth, your face is textured, you have oily skin, you have acne issues, this brown one is the one you should get. It helps to clear and smoothen your skin, and it helps to remove dark spots, and it helps with your pimples. So if you are someone that is always getting pimples, you are always breaking out, your pores are always open, your face is not smooth, go for this particular first one. If you are someone that has dry skin, please do not use this black or brown one. It is not for you. It might smoothen your skin and all of those things, but over time, on the long run, it will not be good for you again. It might start causing you sunburn and all of those things, because your dry skin is still being over exfoliated and oversensitized. You understand? Now the green one, what does the green one do for you? The green one that has salicylic acid and hydroquinone only. Now the green one, what it does is to deeply cleanse your skin tone. It softens your skin and it provides freshness to the skin while taking away sunburn. Now, that is what is written there. Now, this particular one, I would recommend it for someone that has dark sunburn. That is, your sunburn is now pigmented. You know those black sunburn that is usually here. Yes, if you have it, not fresh sunburn that is red though, black sunburn, your sunburn has gone and it is now pigmented. This one is going to help you because it has hydroquinone, which is an anti-pigment, which is a tyrosinase inhibitor that is going to help to, lighten up that place. It also has salicylic acid that is going to help to gently exfoliate that place. And then if you have oily skin, it will also help your skin to stay away from pimples. Do you understand? Now, the pink one, basically, that contains floral water, carrot extract, and hydroquinone. That one is just basically for glowing your skin complexion. Now, you don't have sunburn. You don't have textured skin, but your face is dark. Okay? Your face is dark. And you want a face cleanser you are going to be using to cleanse your face and all of those things. Okay? Yeah. Then you can go for the pink one. The pink one basically just glows your face, glows your complexion, brightens your complexion. It doesn't really do any targeted thing for you. That is it for the pink one. Now, at the end of every Peau de lune product, you have in the ingredient list, you are going to see a particular thing written there. It is written Expedient QX. Now, that thing means, it is a Latin word. The Expedient QS is a Latin word that stands for Expedient Quantum Satis. They put that in there to tell you that this formulation is balanced, because sometimes some formulations are not balanced, which is going to make it not work for you. Now, if there is one standard that Peau de lune has, is that it works. I've never seen someone that used Peau de lune and say, oh, it didn't work for me. Never. I've not had that review about Peau de lune. Peau de lune works. And yeah, it is because everything is balanced. So basically, it means that while they were formulating this product, or after they formulated this product, there was additional water or a base that was added to the formulation to make sure that the formulation rounded to 100%. So the formulation is complete 100%. When you separate the whole ingredient list, it is complete 100%. Now, for the hydroquinone part, because I know a lot of you are going to be bothered about that, they did not put how many percent hydroquinone was used. But for the fact that these people use another ingredient or another base or water to add to this formulation to make sure it is 100%, I would want to believe that the hydroquinone in this particular product is not so much. Because if it was, they would have been tracked down, obviously, because a lot of product. Peau de lune is so popular it's so popular not to be shut down, if that's the right way to put it. Like, it is so popular that if it has harsh ingredients, it wouldn't have been banned. It is not banned. Okay, at least not in this country. It is not banned. So that means, and they also stated that it has hydroquinone. Some products do not state it, but it is stated that it has hydroquinone. So which means that it has it in good percentage. So I am going to believe that these products do not contain hydroquinone in the same percentages. I am going to believe that this pink one contains it in lesser percentage. Then probably the brown one and the green one might have it in same percentage. If there's anyone that will have it in a higher percentage, it should be the brown one, because the brown one is the one that is very, very strong. So for this green one, they said you can use it morning and evening, but honestly, I would say use it only in the evening. And then the pink one, they said you should use it only in the evening. So basically, just use all of these products in the evening. Don't use Peau de lune in the morning. And also, I would suggest not to use it every day, because it has hydroquinone and the percentage is not stated. Okay, so please do not use it every day and do not use it in the daytime. I believe that information is quite popular now. So that is it for Peau de lune cleanser. If you have used it before, let us know in the comment section how it was on you, which color did you use, and everything. And then how to know the original. How to know original Peau de lune. First of all, the ingredients are written in French. The ingredients are written in French. Then the description of the product, that is where they tell you what the product does, is written in English. And then every other thing on the body is written in French. And then when you look on that gold base of the Peau de lune, you are going to see inscription on that base. It is written D and R and then another French word. So make sure you look out for that when you want to buy. Check the bottom for the inscription and check the back how the things are written. So basically from the pictures I have on the screen, you can actually see exactly what it looks like, everything that is written to help you to make your best decisions. So I hope this video was helpful and I answered all your questions about Peau de lune cleanser. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you on our next one.